brochures from the Tourist Information Center. Maison du Tourisme, which means Tourist Information Center. Please repeat after me. Maison du Tourisme. Again, Maison du Tourisme. Or you could say Office du Tourisme. Again, Office du Tourisme. You can find a tourist information center in most towns or villages while traveling in France. They are the place to find information about places of interest in the region that you would like to visit, plans of towns, list of hotels, restaurant, holiday home, theater, etc. You can also get local knowledge and helpful suggestions from the staff. If you are planning a holiday in France, it's always worth checking the regional tourist information website in order to plan your trip. To ask someone if they have something, we say, Avez-vous? Which means, have you got? Let's repeat together. Avez-vous? Again, avez-vous? Avez-vous un plan de Paris, s'il vous plaît? Which means, have you got a map of Paris, please? Let's say that again. Avez-vous un plan de Paris, s'il vous plaît? Again. Avez-vous un plan de Paris, s'il vous plaît? A street directory is un plan. Un plan. A map is une carte. Again, une carte. The list of hotels and restaurants, we say la liste des hôtels et restaurants. La liste des hôtels et restaurants. Ticket, le ticket. One more time, le ticket. Museum catalogue, le catalogue du musée. Again, le catalogue du musée. Theater, le théâtre. Le théâtre. Town is la ville. Again, la ville. It's free. We say, c'est gratuit. So, the last T is silent. One more time. C'est gratuit. Here is or here are, we say, voici. Again, voici. There is or there are, we say, voilà. Voilà. Have a pleasant stay, we say, bon séjour. One more time, bon séjour.